Hi everybody, I'm Melody and today we're going to learn to make and use invisible ink. To make your invisible ink, you'll need 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of baking soda, something to mix it in, and something to mix it with. To write your secret messages, you'll need some paper and some Q-tips. Finally, to reveal your secret messages, you'll need grape juice and a paintbrush. Let's get started. Now, it's time to make your invisible ink. First, add the baking soda to the mixing bowl. Next, add some of the water, just about half of it. Start mixing it together a little bit. We just don't want to add it all at once. Then, add the rest of the water. Use your fork to stir it up. Now that you've stirred your invisible ink, you can use a Q-tip to draw or write a message on paper. Make sure to remix your invisible ink once in a while because it does separate if you don't stir it for very long. So, I am going to make 2 messages. A happy sun and another message which I'll keep a secret for later. You can make as many messages as you want. Now that your secret messages are dry and invisible, it's time to reveal them with grape juice. Before you start, I recommend laying down paper towel underneath your messages so that you don't get your work surface all sticky with grape juice. So, you'll use your paintbrush, dip it in, and then paint over where your message is on your paper. This will reveal the message that you wrote. Paint it over. You don't have to be too careful, especially if you remembered to lay down the paper towel. And once you've painted over most of the paper, your message should be revealed. Now that you know how to make, use, and reveal invisible ink, you can replicate this experiment anytime, as long as you use equal parts baking soda and water.